Welcome back, nail crew. Welcome back, guys. So in this video, I'm doing a GERSHION polygel unboxing. I'm showing you how to get this look with only one kit, you guys. One kit. And I have a surprise. But before we get into that, let's sing happy birthday. Today is Aunt's birthday. Go in, go in, go in, go in, happy birthday to you. That's the nail crew. Happy birthday. I'm excited, you guys. I told you I have a surprise for you. So you have to stay tuned. You have to stay tuned if you want the surprise. So, okay, so this is the back of the box. There's the ingredients. There's contact information, all that. Okay, let's dive in. You guys don't care what the package looks like. You just want to know what's in the box and what's my surprise. I know. Okay, so let's start with the boring stuff first because I have to hold you guys in suspense. So there's a thank you card. You're welcome. And then here's some instructions and all that good stuff. I'm really just like stalling you guys out here. And then here's a little pamphlet. You know, it has useful information on there about the lamp, you know, and there's different languages and stuff. That's useful. No, I'm kidding, you guys. Enough of the boring stuff. Let's look at the lamp. It's shaped like a little helmet, right? It's so stinky cute. Look at all the little lights down there. Perfect for curing the top of your nails and the thumb, you guys, and the thumb. Let's not forget the thumb. All right, so I plugged it in and right away you can tell that it's censored. So you put your hand in, it comes on, take your hand out, it turns off. But also there are settings up here for 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and the low heat mode, 99 seconds. So you can choose the mode or just stick your hand right on in. All right, what's next? Whatever's in this white box is next. I don't even know. It's a mystery. What is it? No, seriously. Okay. All right. So we have top coat, we have base coat, and we have slip solution. Now, you will see very shortly when I do these nails that I don't use slip solution, but for you out there that do use slip solution, I'm going to give it a little sniff for you. And it smells like nothing. It smells like water. It has zero odor. Quite strange to have no smell at all, but zero smell. That might be a good thing, you know, if people are very sensitive. Anyway, moving on to the bag. This has all the goodies, y'all. All the goodies. Okay, so there's a file. You know, thank you, GERSHION, for the file. There's a brush and spatula tool. I know you guys are so tired of seeing it, but guess what? Add another one on to your list. Like if you're keeping tally or score, yeah, go ahead, add another one. It comes in all the kits. What can I say? So there's the brush and spatula tool. And then I think this is so cool. So it's just tweezers. I know. Like, Nikki, you're so excited for tweezers. What's wrong with you? But I like the little slender, pointy, beaky part because they're really good for picking up and moving your stones on the nail. So I'll be using this for my stone placement later on in the video, but also for something else. Okay, so here's the bling. You guys, GERSHION was very generous. Very generous. You see how heavy it was? It fell out of my hand. It was that heavy. All right, so next, you guys, we have butterflies. So if the bling wasn't enough, they were like, you know what? Give them some butterfly stickers too. Oh, and throw in the chrome powder. What? I'm using this chrome powder today, you guys. I'm using that today. What else can we show you? What else do you want to see? Some more nail art? Oh, boom. Got you. Striping tape. Like, what? What, GERSHION? What? So yeah, you get a bunch of striping tape too. This kit has a lot of goodies, you guys. A lot of goodies. Get your nails done and get some nail art and get some glitter. You guys, okay, come on. All of this. Oh, and wait for the surprise. Wait for the surprise, you guys. Okay, so here is the gold foil. So cute. Who's excited? So cute. All right, what is this one? Looks like butterflies. Come on. Who doesn't love butterflies? It's springtime, you guys. Purple glitter. Everyone loves a good purple glitter. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. No, really, that one is really gorgeous. And that blue, ooh, save the blue for last because, yo, that blue is banging. The blue is banging. All right, so here's another purple one. So the first purple was like a chunky purple, and this one is a fine purple. And yes, she is fine, but look at this blue, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I also love that the kit has not just dual forms, but dual forms and paper forms, because a lot of times you guys say that the dual forms don't fit your thumbs. You have really big thumbs, and I'm showing you the largest size. So if this is still too small for you, well then the kit does come with paper forms, which is perfect because you could just build your thumb on a paper form. So I think that is so thoughtful. I really do love that. All right, so you also get 4 15-milliliter tubes of polygel, and I will be playing with the polygel today. So I got Miss Stella. Stella's in the building. I feel like I have not used Stella in so long, you guys. So before you guys even ask, I don't know where to get these nail tips from, okay? These are the tips that came with her. I don't know where to get them. I'm sorry. All right, so once your nail tips are inserted, go ahead and remove the surface shine from the nails. I'm using the hand file that came with the kit, and then I'm just going to use a dust brush and dust away all my filings. Now, I do have some substitution, okay? So GERSHION has a clear and white that comes in the kit, but I have, an older one, so I'm just going to use the old one. Same thing with the brush. A brand new brush comes with the kit. I'm just going to use this one because it's already old and beat up, okay? So, yeah. Same thing, just older. All right, just older and more seasoned. All right, so once you apply the polygel down the length of the nail, then you would add your slip solution to your brush, or the way I like to do it, apply a little base coat right on top of the polygel, and then I use my brush to cover the nail. So I do my polygel in like a 2-step kind of method. So the first step is to just use the polygel and cover the nail. Don't worry about if it's smooth. Don't worry about that. Just make sure that you have enough polygel on the nail to get the job done, but you don't have too much to where it's all over the place, okay? So let's just be systematic here when doing polygel. So you're just going to cover the nail. Do you have enough polygel? Yes? Okay, continue. Do you have too much? Scoop some off. Scoop some off, okay? So once the entire nail is covered with the polygel, then you're going to smooth it out and sculpt it and make her look sexy, okay? That's what you do. If you do step 1, cover the nail, step 2, smooth her out, I think you guys will have success in your polygel nail careers. I really do. You guys, that just makes it so simple. So I'm going to encourage you guys to, if you gave up on polygel, if you're like, I threw it in the trash, I cannot, I'm going back to dips, pull the polygel out the trash. Give it a try again. If you still cannot get it, my website is somewhere on the screen. Do a polygel class with me and let me help you. You could do a group class or you could do a one-on-one. And let me help you get it together, okay? Pull the polygel out the trash, all right? Now, for this nail, you guys, I wanted to do something, fun. I want to do something fun with this kit. I want to get you guys excited about this kit. Do you know where I'm going? Can you get my drift? I want you excited about the kit, all right? So I applied the pink to the nail and the white to the nail, and I'm using the tool that came with the kit. So everything that I'm using today, everything that I'm using is from the kit. So I'm getting the entire look with one kit. In fact, I'm so mad that I even pulled out that dust brush, because the dust brush that I use does not come in the kit. And so that's the only thing that I'm showing you guys today that doesn't come with the kit. So I'm like, dang, Nikki, why did you pull it out? But it was sent to me from a nail sister. Hey, Tasha. And I just wanted to, pull it out as a way to say hi to her. So, hey, Tasha. I'm such a dork. I know I'm such a dork. Anyway, guys, once you apply your 2 colors of choice to the nail, then you grab the little tweezer pointy tool and you just swirl the 2 colors together. You don't want to over swirl it until it's mud pie. Just give it a good little mix. And then I'm using the side of the tool to kind of just keep my shape, right? Sometimes we start stiletto and then by the time we're done, it's definitely like a square, So I was just using the side of the tool to keep my stiletto shape. Then I gave it a 60-second cure. And now it's time for the encapsulation. Hello. So there's so many different ways to encapsulate your polygel nail. I usually encapsulate my polygel nails with dip. I use gel dip, and yeah, that's what I do most of the time. But like I said, today I'm using everything in this kit and this kit only. You guys know why by now. I'm sure you know why by now. But anyway, I just wanted to use everything in this kit. So I am encapsulating with clear instead of my typical dip method because I want to show you guys. I want to show you guys whoever gets this kit and you don't have anything else, like this is your first journey into nails, journey into polygel nails, I want to show you that if this is your first kit, your only polygel kit, I want to show you that you can still get some really nice nails all in one box, baby. All right, so after you encapsulate all the nails with the clear polygel, then you do a full 60-second cure. Now, when they pop out of the oven, you guys, when they pop out the oven, they are sticky. Spray them with a little bit of alcohol or go wash your hands at the sink and then grab your GERSHION hand file and file. So hopefully you did a really good job and there's not a lot of filing work to do because filing with a hand file is very tedious. But hey, if that's all you had, it does come with the file in the kit and you can get the job done. Okay, you can get the job done with the hand file. So now once the nails are filed, we can begin our nail art. And yes, I am using these gorgeous springtime butterflies. Like, duh. You guys already knew I was using butterflies when you saw them. When you saw them, you were like, yep, she's putting butterflies on the nail. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Okay, so now once the butterflies are in place, I'm using the GERSHION base coat to just kind of seal them in place so, they don't go flying off. So I applied the stickers, I put the base coat on, and then I cured it in the lamp for 10 seconds. I did that for the pinky as well as the middle finger. Now, honestly, if I wasn't trying to just get a complete look with this kit, I would use like transfer foil glue underneath the stickers so that they stay down a little bit better. But I'm still going to show you how you could slay in one box. Okay. All right. So let me point out as well, I did not want to use the bling that came in this kit. You guys, it is very pretty, and I just want to keep it and I want to use it on my nails, not Stella. So the bling that I'm using today, this is like recycled bling. So whenever I do a video like this, I will soak my bling off and recycle her, okay? Recycle her. So these are recycled bling, but the kit has the same shaped stones or something very similar. So again, you could get the same look all in this box. Okay, so here we go with the chrome powder. I'm excited for the chrome powder, you guys. I'm excited for the chrome powder. So before we apply chrome, you just have to put a very thin layer of non-wipe top coat down. So the top coat that comes in this kit is a non-wipe top coat. So I'm going to apply that to the nail. I'm going to cure it for 15 seconds. If you cure it longer than that, it may not apply well for you, okay? So about 15 seconds is plenty, and then you use a little applicator and you just wipe on the chrome powder. Okay. I just wanted to hurry up and like get all of that out of there so I can tell you about the giveaway. I've been just holding it in this whole time, and yeah, I'm ready to spill the beans. So this whole kit, you guys, is a giveaway, and the giveaway is sponsored by GERSHION. I love when companies just literally reach out to me and say, hey, I love you guys. I love the nail crew. I want to sponsor a giveaway. Like literally, you know, they really, really love you guys. So with that being said, here are the rules to the giveaway. Oh, wait. Before I even tell you about the rules to this giveaway, make sure you stay tuned. Okay? Make sure you stay tuned. I think I'm going to announce another giveaway this week. Okay, so the rules to this giveaway, super simple. You have to be a subscriber. You already know. If you're not subscribed, you're getting nothing. Okay? Thank you. You also have to like this video. Give me a thumbs up. You have to comment. So tell me in the comments below why you should win. Also, make sure you include this hashtag. I am writing it on the screen so that you guys know exactly what it's supposed to look like, because I swear y'all make up your own hashtags all the time. So here is the hashtag that you have to include with why you should win, okay? Next, I need you to screenshot your favorite part of this video. Any part. It could be the freaking intro. It could be this part right here. Screenshot your favorite part of this video and post it to any of your social media. It could be YouTube. It could be Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, like Snapchat, anywhere, you know, and this is just going to share my channel to help me grow so I can hit that 50K and have a banging 50K giveaway. All right, last rule is to hit the bell so that when I call your name, you could be so excited. You could hear it at the time. Like, it's just so much fun when you're there when I call your name. So make sure that you hit the bell, and good luck to everybody. Love you guys so much. Bye.